Next we are discussing let z1 equal to 10 plus 6 iota, comma z2 equal to 4 plus 6 iota, where iota equal to root or minus 1 if z is a complex number such that the argument of z minus z1 divided by z minus z2 is pi by 4, then prove that modulus of z minus 7 minus 9 iota equal to 3 root 2. So this problem we have to solve. Now solution. तो यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ, there are 2 points z1 and z2 where iota equal to root or minus 1 if z is a complex number such that argument of this one is what, pi by 4. तो यहाँ पे दिया हुआ argument of z minus z1 divided by z minus z2 equal to pi by 4. तो यहाँ पर हम बोल सकते हैं that this equation represents circle. Then we have to prove this one. This is circle equation only. So we want to find out this circle equation. Okay, this circle equation should be this one. This one we have to prove. Okay, so here center is what, z naught. So z naught will be what, 7 plus 9 iota, and radius is what, 3 root 2. This one we have to prove. Okay, so this equation represents circle. We want to find out this circle equation. This circle equation should be this one. Okay, so what is given here? There are 2 points z1 and z2. Z will move on the perimeter, and this angle is what, pi by 4. This angle is given pi by 4. So we want to find out this circle center and radius, because for a circle we need center and radius. So this circle center is what, z naught. This is z. Okay, this circle is what, z naught. So if you join this one, this angle will be what, pi by 2. This angle is what, double of pi by 4. Okay, so this is what, pi by 2, and this is what, r. R is what, modulus of z1 minus z naught, or we can say modulus of z2 minus z naught. That is r. So we got radius is this one, and this angle is what, pi by 2. So what we will do here, we will use rotation. So if you rotate this one with the angle pi by 4, we will get this one. So we are rotating like that. So this is denominator and this is numerator. So this one we can write in terms of argument of denominator. So denominator is what, this one. So direction we are taking towards z1, and here we are taking towards z2. So this one we can write z1 minus z naught, and numerator is what, z2 minus z naught equal to pi by 2. This one is in argument form. Now what is this? Is complex number. This one we will write in terms of Euler's form. So this one we can write like z2 minus z naught divided by z1 minus z naught. This is complex number. This is equal to what, magnitude of this one. So magnitude of this one is what, modulus of z2 minus z naught divided by z1 minus z naught into e power iota. Argument of this one is what, pi by 2. So e power iota pi by 2. This will come. So from here we can say that z2 minus z naught divided by z1 minus z naught. Here we are using modulus property. So this one we can write what, modulus of z2 minus z naught divided by modulus of z1 minus z naught e power iota pi by 2. So this one we can write what, cos pi by 2 is what, 0 plus iota sin pi by 2 is what, 1. So into 1. Okay, this will come. So z2 minus z naught divided by z1 minus z naught equal to, this is what, r, and this is equal to what, r. So both are r, so it is 1 into 0 plus iota into 1. This is what, iota. So 1 into iota will come. So if you simplify this one, what will come, z2 minus z naught equal to, if you take this one in this side, what will come, iota z1 minus iota z naught. If we simplify this one, then we can write this one as, see, z naught we are taking this side. So z2 minus iota z1 equal to z naught minus iota z naught. Okay, so this will come out. If you write this one in this side, so z naught we are taking common, 1 minus iota z2 minus iota z1. So z2 is what, z2 is 4 plus 6 iota, 4 plus 6 iota minus iota z1. z1 is what, 10 plus 6 iota, 10 plus 6 iota. This will come. So from here z naught equal to 1 divided by 1 minus iota in bracket. This one we have to simplify. So this will come out 4 plus 6 iota minus iota. If you multiply inside, so what will come, minus 10 iota minus iota square. Minus iota square is what, plus 1. So plus 6. This will come. So z naught equal to 1 divided by 1 minus iota, 1 divided by 1 minus iota into this one is what, 6 plus 4, 10, and 6 iota minus 10 iota, that is minus 4 iota. Now here what you are doing, we are multiplying here conjugate of denominator. So we are multiplying here 1 plus iota and divided by what, 1 plus iota. So what will come, z naught equal to, numerator is what, 10 multiplied with what, 1. So what will come, 10. Similarly minus 4 iota multiplied with what, iota. So this got minus 4 iota square. So that is plus 4. Then we are multiplying 10 with iota. So what will come, plus 10 iota. And minus 4 iota multiplied with what, 1. So what will come, minus 4 iota divided by 1 minus iota into 1 plus iota, that is 1 square plus 1 square. तो यहाँ से क्या देगा, z नॉट इक्वल टू 10 plus 4 is what, 14 plus 10 iota minus 4 iota, this is iota. So this will come what, 6 iota divided by 2. So this will come what, 7 plus 3 iota. So z naught is what, 7 plus 3 iota. Now we need radius. So radius is what, r equal to what, modulus of z1 minus z naught. Okay, so r equal to modulus of z1. Z1 is what, 10 plus 6 iota, 10 plus 6 iota minus z naught. So z naught is what, this one, 7 plus 3 iota. So minus 7 minus 3 iota, this will come. So r equal to modulus of 10 plus minus 7, that is 3, plus 6 iota minus 3 iota, that is 3 iota. So this is equal to what, root over 9 plus 9. So that is 3 root 2. Okay, so radius is what, 3 root 2 and center is what, this one. So we can write circle equation if you know center and radius. So circle equation is modulus of z minus z naught. So z naught is what, this one. So what will come, 7 plus 3 iota equal to r. R is what, 3 root 2. This is your circle equation and that's your proof.